Okay, so now we're on string number 4, which is dynamite, D. We've got the first 3. Okay, now you're on the first, second, third, fourth string, you remember, and on the 5th fret. So what I'm saying is, this first one you did E, this one had to be on the 5th fret. The next one was on the 4th fret, do you remember? Now we're on the 5th fret again with the 4th string, which is D, and the open 3rd string, which is a G, the sound. We go over the top. There we're on the 5th string for the next string. They sound the same. Okay, now you just carry on. You take your finger to the 5th string, which is an A, and you play the open D, which is the 4th string. And here's the A. They should sound the same. Ooh, these strings are quite old, that's why it's saying bzz, bzz, bzz. And then the last one, which is the E string, again, the same as this one. But to make certain that they are the same, you press the 5th fret on the 6th string, and it should sound the same as the open string, which is an A. There it is. And here's the 6th string. It's a little high, so I'm going to loosen this. Okay. Listen. So the 2 E's should sound the same. One will be high and one will be low. But that's how you tune your guitar with just the first sound, which is an E. Do you remember this one? If you have that sound, you can tune all 5 of the other strings. Good job.